Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook rice in a pot. First, select your favorite rice, whether it's long grain white or hearty brown. For every 2 servings, measure out 1 cup of rice. It's a good practice to rinse your rice under cold running water until the water is completely clear. This helps remove excess starch, leading to fluffier grains. This simple preparation sets the stage for perfectly cooked rice. Now, let's talk about the crucial water ratio. For most white rice, a 2-to-1 ratio of water to rice works wonderfully. So, for 1 cup of rice, you'll need 2 cups of water. If you're cooking brown rice, aim for a 2.5-to-1 ratio. Don't forget to add a small pinch of salt to the water. It really brings out the rice's natural flavor. This step is key for delicious results. Once your water and rice are in the pot, bring the mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it boils, reduce the heat to its lowest setting, cover the pot tightly with a lid, and let it simmer. For white rice, cook for about 18 minutes. Brown rice takes a bit longer, around 45 minutes. Resist the urge to lift the lid during this time. After the cooking time is complete, remove the pot from the heat, but keep the lid on. Let the rice rest, undisturbed, for about 10 minutes. This crucial resting period allows the steam to redistribute evenly, ensuring every grain is perfectly cooked and fluffy. Finally, gently fluff the rice with a fork before serving. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, delicious rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.